welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you guys my current favorite must-have curly hair products. Now the products that I'm going to be mentioning today, these are products that I use when I'm not testing out products, when I'm not filming, and when I'm not doing a Mask Monday video. Obviously when I'm not filming. These are products that I would just grab, and I know there is going to be a guaranteed perfect wash and go. These are just my go-to product. They work every single time and they mix well with a bunch of different stylers. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start with some shampoos. Now today I brought up two different shampoos, and these are both from Soultanicals. Real quick, before I continue the video, I just saw the monitor and I saw you guys can see my scar. This is a burn mark. I was making pancakes and I burned my hand, so that's that. Carrying on, the shampoos that I have been loving lately are both from Soultanicals, and this one is the Shea-Yurvedic, I hope I'm saying it right, Butta-Shampoo. This is what it looks like, and it's just my let me open it for you guys so you guys can understand why I love it so much. It just has the thickest consistency and it's just so creamy. I love this stuff. It helps detangle my hair and it literally leaves my hair feeling like butter but also cleansed. The next one is the Mega Greens Butter Shampoo. Now this one is a little bit more liquidy, so it does have a little bit more slip than the other one. If I can open this. So I'm not going to tilt it too much because it will pour over, but this is what it looks like. It is also very, very creamy, buttery, just like it says, and it literally melts the tangles away while also cleaning your hair. Now typically I am not a shampoo type of girl. I honestly prefer to co-wash because I just don't like the way a typical shampoo leaves my hair. It leaves it feeling super stripped, dry, and like I need hydration immediately after. So the reason why I've been so in love with shampooing is because I did come across these two different shampoos that I have been loving, and I actually have been shampooing my hair more frequently ever since I discovered these. It actually allows my curls to perform better because they don't have any product residue, and I'm starting off with a fresh canvas. So if you haven't tried these out, try them out. These are the liter size options. I don't think they have them in liter size at the moment, but you can buy the regular 8-ounce size on the Soultanical website. These are just my go-to. Okay, so following up with shampooing, the next step would be conditioner, and I actually only brought one conditioner at the moment. This one is the one that I have personally been loving for quite some time. This is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. If you have not tried this one out yet, girl, you are missing out, because if you suffer from having stubborn matted knots, you need this in your collection. It literally moisturizes and detangles, and it also smells really good. If you own anything from the Pomegranate and Honey collection, it smells just like that. I personally love this smell. I love how it feels. It makes me just happy and just love my hair. It's just so good. So I have been using this conditioner lately. I've been loving it. It just hydrates my hair, and let me just give you a little bonus. If you're not like me and you're not faithfully committed to deep conditioning every time you wash your hair, or you simply just don't have the time, pick this bad boy up, because you don't even need to deep condition after you use this. You use this to detangle your hair, condition your hair, leave it in even for like 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Girl, you will see a difference in your hair with the shininess and just how thick and fluffy your hair feels. So I would highly recommend for you guys to check out the Mielle Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner, because it literally lives up to its name. Alrighty, the next step would be deep conditioning if I'm not co-washing. So I brought two deep conditioners with me here today. One is hydration, one is protein. I personally like to keep an even amount in my hair. Sometimes my hair needs strength and protein, and then the other times my hair needs to be moisturized. My hair also really does love protein, so I always try to involve that in my routine. Let's start off with the moisturizing one. Now this one is the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Nutrient Rich Butter Mask. Now this bad boy right here has literally been my favorite moisturizing deep conditioner. It also smells amazing. I just love the way the matcha line smells. So good. It has a very thick consistency, which honestly that's something I prefer. I prefer a thicker hair mask because I feel like it just works better on my thick hair. It gives me better results, and I just always, you know, gravitate towards something that is more thicker. This one right here literally leaves your hair feeling like butter, and it's actually really inexpensive. You can find it at Ulta, and they usually have the buy one get one half off sale. So you can rack up on some of these. They're really good, and honestly you see an instant result once you rinse this out of your hair. The next deep conditioner that I've been loving is it's from Shea Moisture, and this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Now this stuff is amazing as well. It repairs your hair and it hydrates it at the same time. If you are transitioning, have chemically damaged hair, have color treated hair, or experience shedding, I would totally recommend for you guys to check this product out, because this brings my hair instantly back to life. As far as shedding goes, you know, sometimes my hair wants to be a little stubborn, you know, with the weather changing, the season changing, you know, sometimes you experience more shedding than usual. So when that happens to me, I grab this bad boy right here, and it definitely decreases that immediately. This literally makes my curls pop. I actually just used it in my hair a couple days ago when I washed my hair, and I love the way it just makes my hair feel. There's just so much definition, and I'm all about definition, so I always try to stick this into my routine. This one is also very thick. It is like super thick, which I just love. I just love a good thick product. It just works better in my hair. And little quick tip, if you don't add heat while you're deep conditioning, girl, get to it, because if you add extra heat, if you have time of course, adding extra heat to your hair while deep conditioning really just opens up the cuticles and the hair strands, and it just takes your deep conditioning to the next level. So if you have some time, either of these deep conditioners or any deep condition that you have in your house, add some heat, girl. It's gonna take it to the next level, and you'll thank me later. Moving on to Cowash. I actually only brought one Cowash. This one is from Not Your Mother's. This is the Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner. So it's a leave-in, it's a co-wash, and it's also a conditioner. Personally, I just have used it as a conditioner and a co-wash, and I love how it works for both. I have not used this as a leave-in conditioner because it kind of weirds me out. It's just like supposed to be cleansing my hair, and I'm gonna leave you in. Like, to me that's just a little so I just use it as a co-wash, and I love this so much. It has the perfect amount of slip. It literally just melts my hair, melts the tangles while cleaning it at the same time. It does help remove product residue. I've used this on days where I don't want to shampoo and I just co-wash, and honestly the results are to die for. This is also very affordable. You can find it at Ulta. Like I mentioned, they always have the buy one get one half off, so on Not Your Mother's. So try it out, because this right here is a game changer. Moving on to my personal favorite next two products that I'm just like, I want to put them in my hair right now even though I don't need it. But this is from Soultanicals. I really have been using Soultanicals like crazy, you guys. Like, I try to like limit the amount of Soultanical products that I'm showing today, because I don't want to overwhelm you guys with just one brand, but they're just that good. So the leave-in conditioner that I have been loving lately is the Soultanicals Slip and Slide Tropical Hair Glide. Now this stuff is also amazing. I did get it in a liter size because I'm literally always using it. It's almost halfway gone, and I have gone through an entire bottle. This is my second one, and I'm halfway through it. So that tells you how much I love this leave-in. It just literally works as the perfect foundation with any little cocktail that you're combining. It goes well with any product, and it just literally hydrates the crap out of my curls without weighing them down. So that's something that I love about it, and it has a very liquidy-ish consistency, but it works amazing in my hair. The only thing is that with this product, I'm not 100% sure if it's coming back. I did buy it last summer. Soultanicals is known for like bringing in like exclusive or limited edition products. Hopefully that one is not limited edition, because I want them to bring it back in the summer so I can stock up. It's that good. But if they don't, this one tops it off. I swear by this, and I literally use it every single wash day if I can. This is the Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is amazing. This is my second bottle already. I just love the way it works in my hair. Literally enhances my curls, which I love because I love definition. It moisturizes and it adds shine to my hair. I mean, who doesn't want their hair to look nice and healthy, right? This product does that for me, and on top of that, it smells so good. I just love this stuff so much, and if you're gonna buy one thing from Soultanicals, just one product, get this one right here, because I promise it is a game changer. I use this when I use this as a leave-in conditioner, I use it as a styler, and I even use it to refresh my hair. Like, for example, like let's say the next day my curls wake up a little funny, some of them are like straight or whatever, or like stringy. I'll put this on dry hair, I'll finger coil the section, and I'm literally good to go. Like, this even works as a great next day refresher. I can layer this in between, like a leave-in, a styler. This can be my styler, and it will not weigh my curls down, but it'll give me that perfect amount of definition, hydration, moisture, and hold. So I just love the Frizz Whiz so much. Totally recommend for you guys to check it out. One more Soultanical product, and I promise I am done. On days that I want butter or something in between the leave-in and the gel, I would use this guy right here. Now, this is the Can't Believe It's Not Butter, also by Soultanicals. This is an amazing styler. Oh, it also smells very good, and it just also, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but you notice an immediate difference when you add this into your routine. Like, this sounds so sponsored, but I promise they don't even know who I am. This is like not sponsored at all. It's just, I love the way it works and the way it pairs well together. This one right here literally just hydrates the crap out of my hair. Like, that's like the best way to put it. If you don't like frizz, use, for example, the slip and slide. Well, maybe not, let me not recommend the slip and slide since it's not on the website right now. Frizz Whiz, Can't Believe It's Not Butter, and a gel. Whew, honey, your results, you'll thank me, I promise you. I use this and it pairs well with any product as well as all these other ones. They just cocktail perfectly, and that's something that really works in my favor because I'm always trying out different products. I'm always mixing and matching, and these products right here have literally never let me down. Moving on to gels. This one right here, I have mentioned that on my channel before. This is just a must-have. Like, if you're a curly girl, you must have this gel in your collection. It's just, you have to. It just works amazing on all hair types I've seen. This is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulating Gel. I literally can't talk enough about this product. It just enhances the crap out of your curls. It provides shine. You don't even need to go in with an oil after you're done using this, and your curls also last forever. It gives you like an entire wash day. If you're the type of person that just likes to wash your hair one time and one time only for the entire week, girl, try this gel because it will give you the perfect amount of hold that you need for the entire week, and it also makes your hair nice and shiny. Of course, I've still been using my WetLine Xtreme gel. I actually went through a whole tub of this, you guys. Can you believe that? I like legit started a brand new one because I love it so much. Works perfect in my hair. The only thing I've been noticing is that now that the weather is getting a little bit warmer, it doesn't have as much hold and doesn't last as long with the warmer weather. So I've been returning to the OG Eco Styler Gel. This is the Argan Oil one. This one is personally my favorite one. I have tried all of Eco Styler's gel, and this one is the one that stands out to me the most. It lays my edges for the entire day, and whenever I put it on my hair, my curls do not move and they just don't frizz up. Obviously they're soft, you know, I didn't use it today, but when I mean like it doesn't move as far as like they don't frizz up, I just love the Eco Styler gel. I feel like everyone, like, you should just have this in your collection. Alrighty, we are almost done. Let's talk about some refreshers. And the ones that I've been loving lately are these two right here. The first one is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner. It is a leave-in conditioner, but it works perfectly for me as the next day refresher. Let's say I woke up, my hair looks a little crazy. All I do is just spritz it around my hair and I'm good to go. On some areas where I feel like I need more concentrated, I would obviously, you know, take a section, I would spray it, twirl it around my finger, encourage that curl a little bit more, let it dry, good to go. Same thing with the Defunk from Uncle Funky's daughter. This one is the Hair Refreshing Tonic. I love them both equally, but this one just smells much better to me. That's why I'm literally going through this one. But this one works just as good. I love the Defunk. It leaves my hair nice and shiny, doesn't frizz it up, and it just refreshes my curls perfectly. Alrighty, last but not least, serums and oils. If you know me, I'm always sealing my wash and goes with an oil or a serum. I feel like it's just the perfect topper for the perfect wash and go, because it's going to make your hair shiny if the products haven't done that already, and it's just going to make it look healthier. So the one that I've been loving lately, I'm so happy they added this to the family. This is the Total Miracle Restoring Oil with Apricot. You guys, if you haven't picked this up from Target or Walmart, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this stuff is a game changer. Now for me personally, I prefer a thicker serum versus a very liquidy and runny oil, just because I don't want my hair to look greasy and I don't want it to weigh it down. This one is amazing. It is a thicker oil. I'm gonna spray a little bit, I don't need it, but it is a very thicker oil. Although they call it an oil, it looks more like a serum to me. It feels more like a serum and it works just like a serum. Oh, it smells so good. I'm literally adding all these extra products that I really don't even need in my hair, but I kind of just put it in like this. I'll just scrunch it in, and yeah, it adds shine to my hair. They did come up with 2 other scents, but I personally prefer the apricot one because it just smells amazing, and I just love the way it works in my hair, and it's super affordable. I think it was like $5 or $6 that I paid for this, if I'm not mistaken, and it's thick, right? So a little bit goes a long way, so you will have this in your collection for a while. Alrighty, that pretty much sums up this video. These are all of my favorite go-to current products. I love all of these, and I will be frequently updating this video because I'm always testing out new things and I'm always finding out new discoveries. Some of these are OGs, some of these you may never heard of. If you liked one of these products, let me know in the comment down below. Feel free to share some of your go-to products. What is something that you cannot live without and that you're always grabbing and you always somehow incorporate that in your routine? Let me know in the comment down below, because I'm going to be checking them, and if I find something that is repeatedly, I'm definitely going to add it to my collection and test it out if I haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Charlize Curls so we can stay connected and be curl friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.